In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 11 on a new gaming PC. Getting your PC up and running with the latest from Microsoft can seem daunting, but I'm here to guide you through this process in just a few simple steps. First things first, you need to ensure that your new gaming PC meets the Windows 11 minimum system requirements. This is crucial because if your hardware isn't up to par, you won't be able to enjoy the new features that Windows 11 has to offer. Check the Microsoft website for the latest requirement updates to avoid any incompatibility issues. Next, you'll need a blank USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. This drive will be used to create a bootable installation media for Windows 11. Make sure it's empty or that you've backed up any important data stored on it, as the process will wipe all existing content. Now, head over to a working computer and navigate to the official Microsoft Windows 11 download page. This is where we will get the tools needed to create our installation media. Once on the page, look for the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section. It's essential to ensure you're on the official site to avoid downloading potentially harmful software. Click on Download Now to get the Media Creation tool. This handy utility will help you download the Windows 11 files and craft a bootable USB drive effortlessly. Once the download is complete, run the downloaded tool. If prompted, make sure to accept the license terms. Now, choose your preferred language and edition of Windows 11 to tailor the installation to your preference. You'll then select USB flash drive as the media type. After this, choose your USB drive from the list displayed and click Next. The tool will now automatically download Windows 11 files and create the bootable drive for you. This might take some time, so sit back and relax as it does its magic. Once the bootable USB is ready, you're set to start the installation on your new gaming PC. Insert the USB drive into your PC and power it up. Typically, you'll need to boot from the USB using your motherboard's boot menu. This can often be accessed by pressing a specific key during startup, like F12 or Delete, depending on your system. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. This part of the process is quite intuitive, guiding you through different stages, such as selecting your time zone and keyboard preferences. Once the installation is complete, you'll follow a few final setup steps to get your PC online. Connect to the internet, then sign in with or create a new Microsoft account, which is vital to unlock all features of Windows 11. Lastly, take a moment to customize your settings according to your preferences, ensuring your new operating system feels just right for you. And there you have it. Windows 11 is all set to go on your new gaming PC. Enjoy exploring its features and happy gaming.